Welcome back guys, today it's all about TV immersive lights, so without further ado, just check out the Lytmi Neo 2.0 TV kit. A big thank you to Lytmi for sending these over. Now let's get this unboxed. The Lytmi Neo fits various sizes of TV, from 55 inches all the way up to 90 inches. It also supports voice assistant such as Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant and SmartThings, so it can be easily added into your smart home with no fuss. Once opened, you'll be greeted with a quick start guide, and underneath you'll find the user manual as well as some 3M stick-on clips, some sticky pads for the Neo box, a HDMI cable, a power cable and the box itself. The box is compact, perfect for hiding out of sight behind the TV. On top you see the power button, the mode button, and on the back you'll find a HDMI in as well as a HDMI output, LED strip input, as well as a TV USB and power input. And if you lift the top up and look at the bottom layer, you'll find where the strip lights are located. So after it was all unboxed, it was time to get this installed. After getting my TV off the wall, I wiped down the back to get rid of any dust and help prevent the strip lights from unsticking. I then got to work on applying the lights, starting in the corner and making my way around. I used the stick-on clips to help hold the corners in place. I used the sticky tabs to stick on the Neo box directly to the TV. I plugged in the lights and then a HDMI cable going from the box's HDMI output to the TV, and then a HDMI cable from my AV receiver to the box's HDMI input. After that, I was good to go. First impressions, I was very pleased with the outcome. Colours look vibrant and well matched, and straight away I knew my TV experience just got a whole lot better. And with the lights off, this really comes to life, so the only thing left to do was to test this out using some different content. When it comes to watching movies, the Neo Sync box can handle 4K at 60Hz, Dolby Vision and as well as HDR10+, making it perfect for getting yourself immersed into the action. It also works with a wide array of devices, including laptops, PC, streaming devices and much more. But as soon as I hooked my PlayStation 5 up, it was clear to see these things are made for each other. With zero latency, the Lytmi Neo 2.0 is a great addition to any gamer. With this TV kit being so bright, I was even able to get an effect while watching my home cinema projector. I have a motorized screen that drops in front of my TV, and even though it's not as effective as just watching the TV, it still was good enough to take my home cinema experience up a notch. This is Smart 2, allowing you to control it via Amazon Smart Assistant as well as Google Home, but for the best control you can use the Lytmi Smart app. Once downloaded, simply add the Neo box and that will give you access to the different modes, including modes for movies, gaming and even a music syncing mode. You can choose solid colours or play around with some of the built-in effects. Another awesome feature is the ability to add more Lytmi products and have them sync to your Neo box for an even greater experience. So overall, I'm super impressed with this piece of kit. A great addition to any entertainment setup. And if you want to check this out yourself, the link will be in the description. And thanks again for Lytmi for making this video possible. And as always, please do me a big favour by liking this video and subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.